Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We'll be looking at the top 5 best products that you can buy this year. Through extensive research and testing, we put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether the price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the product price, we've included links in the description box down below. So, let's begin.
In this video, we've chosen the best hiking poles to make your choice as easy as possible. Number 1. Cascade Mountain Tech Trekking Pole. Cascade Mountain Tech Quick Lock is a good budget lightweight trekking pole with a comfortable cork grip. On top of that, they have a quick lock system which makes it easy to change length when walking in uneven terrain. The poles are built with 100% carbon fiber, which is known for its light weight. These poles are user-friendly for beginners and strong for thru hikers. Poles also include tungsten carbide tips and adjustable wrist straps. Number 2. Montem Ultra Strong Trekking Walking and Hiking Pole. Montem Ultra Strong might be one of the best budget trekking poles and good if you just need them for casual use. Their grip is comfortable and works well for day trips or shorter backpacking trips. These trekking poles also have easy adjustable straps and are easy to adjust in length. These trekking poles pack up easily for storage and luggage, backpacks, and duffel bags. Crafted out of aluminum 7075, the same material used to build airplanes. Trekking poles come with padded straps to ensure the most comfortable and ergonomic grip. Number 3. Hiker Hunger Outfitters Carbon Fiber Trekking Pole. Hiker Hunger carbon fiber trekking poles are another option for budget lightweight trekking poles. They have comfortable cork grips with foam grips beneath, so if you hike uphill, you can easily move your hand without changing the length of the pole. These trekking poles are 100% carbon fiber and made to last. They're the strongest and lightest poles in the market. These poles are great for women, kids, and men because they're adjustable. This new improved version makes them the most reliable and durable trekking poles you'll want to take everywhere. Number 4. Pariah Outdoor Trifold Carbon Fiber Trekking Pole. These trekking poles are 3-section folding poles with cork handles that fold down to 15-inch in length, making them perfect for travel and backpacking. Ergonomically shaped, natural cork grips with an articulated grip increase uphill propulsion when climbing, while the bulbous top facilitates braking on downhills. Air-textured wicking straps dry quickly while improving stability and security. Includes baskets and carbide tips. The weight per pair is 18 ounces. Length is 24.4 by 53.1 inches. While unisex, they are available in 2 sizes. Number 5. Black Diamond Distance ZPole for trekking, trail running, hiking. These poles feature a versatile folding design that fits easily into packs and suitcases, making them ideal for backpacking and travel. Available in 4 lengths when fully expanded, they collapse down to 14 to 17 inches in length when folded up. Opening and folding them up is simple using a push-button mechanism. The poles have extended EVA foam grips with minimal mesh wrist straps. Non-marking rubber tips are standard, but carbide tips are also included. Weight per pair is 11 to 13 ounces based on pole length.
Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos.